What? Oh, it's working. It gave me a message that said it's not working, but it is working. Okay. There's my new thumbnail. Okay. So I decided on what project I'm making. Um, it's going to be Castlevania crossover, which is going to be basically the same type of game as Super Mario crossover, but it's Castlevania. I wrote in an announcement like a little bit about um, I don't know, just about why I decided, and it's basically just because, well, I like making fan games. I kind of never wanted to stop making fan games. Um, and I was originally thinking that I was not going to ever do a fan game again, but it's sort of because like Nintendo is a very litigious company that tends to come after projects, and they never, oh my god, there's a cricket like right outside my window. I think I might have to put headphones on. um yeah, I'm gonna put headphones. But basically, like, Nintendo is a very litigious company. Oh my god. And even though Super Mario Crossover like stayed online, they actually did request it to be removed in multiple circumstances, but the guy at Newgrounds told me he just like didn't listen to them. So um, I never got a direct request from them, by the way. But um, I kind of like was sort of afraid to start doing fan games again because I'm like a bit older now. Um, I'm more financially stable, so if I don't know if they like came after me legally or something, I would have more to lose at this point. So I was originally like not going to do another fan game, but then I remembered there are other, like, there's other companies besides Nintendo that are kind of actually okay with fan games, or like they have a history. I'm just gonna put these on because this cricket is driving me crazy. Okay, I can't hear it. There are other companies like Konami and Capcom that have generally been okay with fan games. So, and Castlevania, I always thought would be a really good game to do a crossover. Um, oh, you can hear the cricket. Oh, that's terrible. Um, but yeah, I think Castlevania works really well. Uh, I mean, it has more like enemies and stuff, so there's more like, I don't know, attacks and stuff. It still has a three-tiered weapon system. Like, it has the three-tiered whip system, so you could still have like uh sort of like a similar power-up system. I don't actually know how well both those systems are going to work together, but you can't hear it after I put the, wait, did the cricket stop? It did stop. Putting on headphones stops crickets. Cool. Let's see if it starts back up. Um, but yeah, so Castlevania also has like the sub weapon system, and that works really well for like Mega Man picking up different weapons, or like Bill Riser getting, like spread or machine gun or whatever. It could also be used for like different suits for Mario, like hammer suit or raccoon suit. Um, so yeah, I think it works really well, and because I'm so busy right now, uh, it's just much like more realistic for me to make a game where I don't have to do the art or like the sound or anything. I'm just rebuilding an existing game. It's like a lot less thinking for me. So it's kind of like good in every way I can think of. And Konami has not gone after. Oh, I just heard him chirp again. Konami has not gone after like fan games. They've even, I didn't look into the details, but some people said that they've given fan games their blessing. There was a Castlevania 2 fan game that came out like a year ago, and I think they seemed fine with it. So it generally seems like if you're not making money, they're fine with it. So I'm not going to be profiting from this in any way. So yeah, I think it's a good candidate. Just for my situation, it's kind of perfect actually. Once I thought of it, I was like, that's what I'm doing. The only other game I considered was Mega Man. Um, but I really just chose Castlevania because it's easier. There's only 6 levels. It's kind of a much simpler game. I mean, the original Mega Man was also pretty simple, but the original is not that fun. I don't know. I just didn't think it would work as well. Castlevania, I think, is like, I think most of the characters will be fine. Like, there's not, it's a pretty simple game, honestly. So, um, okay, well, I'm going to do a little bit of work. So, this is like officially the first devlog for Castlevania crossover. I am building off of the work I did in the previous ones, but it's still a very like basic project. We're still almost starting from scratch. I can open up the rest. The only thing I did was like I renamed the project, and I got web build working. I forgot what the command was. Is it? Let's see if I. Let's see. Trunk. Oh, trunk serve. Let's see. I think this. Where is it? Yeah. So this is running in the browser. So now we, because yeah, I like to make like especially like games that are free. I really like free games to be playable in the browser. Like I want to just make it super easy for people to just try it out. And I am planning to use the music emulator like I did before. So like it should be a super small download. There could be some issues with that actually. I'm going to be looking into well, I'll be trying it out later, but the music emulator is actually written in C++, but I wrote Rust bindings, but this code is still C++. So I don't know if that's going to have issues running on the web. We're going to have to see. But aside from that, everything else will definitely work. Yeah, we'll just tackle that problem when we get there. We still have a weird duck. Oh, he's chirping again. All right, I'm going to put my headphones back on. I don't really like talking with my headphones as much. Okay, so I'm going to close this. All right. Yeah, so today, kind of the first thing I want to do with this project is to start importing the levels. Now, uh, I could like manually, when I made Super Mario Crossover, I actually just like looked at the level and manually remade it in a tile mapper. But I'm trying to be very like efficient with my time on this project, so I'm going to try to import the levels into LDTK programmatically by analyzing the pixels directly, basically. First, I'm going to open LDTK. Can I just delete this? I still don't know how to use these tools that well. How do I delete? If I just press delete? No. I don't know. I'll just leave it then. I do need to find out. I'm going to need to know the world grid size for Castlevania. So I downloaded some images. I have this one. I need to, let's see, grid. We had 6. I wish it had a default. I don't know how to change the default. Okay, so now it's 16 by 16. So I basically need to like find out how big a screen is. This is the entire map of the game. This one is 2 screens. I think this one is 1. I think. Oh my god, I need to do something about my mouse. How many pixels? So it says that's 256. Is that 16? Yeah. So according to that, it's 16 wide. Let's check. I want to see if this is 2 screens then. 512. Yeah, that's 32, right? Yeah, so it looks like it's 16 wide. And then I guess I can just... Oh, my mouse. Oh my god. I use a wireless mouse, and like my setup is interfering with the wireless signals, jumping all over the place. 176. $11. That's a really weird number. Are these all 11? $11. Really? I guess. Yeah, I guess it's 256 by 176. 256. 176. Mario is like, let me check something. Oh, here I have a screenshot that I took. This is a native resolution though. Is it? No. It's double. Hold on. Fuck. I gotta change the grid again. Actually, this one's 32. I'll just put 32 then. I thought it was 32. What? What? Okay, I don't remember the shortcuts. Canvas. Yeah. I'm just gonna take a new screenshot. I think if I make it smaller and take a screenshot. Yeah. Well, I changed my computer setup recently, so my mouse detector thing is on the opposite side that my mouse is on. So I need to get an extension cord so that my mouse receiver is like, oh my god, that's gonna be like so annoying. I'm trying to, well, I hope it's not too annoying. Oops. Let me see if, all right, yeah, this one looks like it's native resolution. What? Does it get smaller? I can't. Well, it's doubled, so I'm just gonna make the grid 32. Okay. Let's see. So there's 3 spaces above and there's 1 space below. So it's basically losing 4 spaces. In total, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even see the fucking lines. Can I make... Alright, I can see them better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's the same size as Mario. Oh, I think it's a little wider because it's actually like widening It might be simulating that the NES used to lengthen the width, or on the TV. It might be. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Check something. Size document. If I change 584. Why is it 584? Yeah, I think that's supposed to be 512. Actually, I think the Nintendo resolution is 256 by 240. Yeah, look. Now it looks like a Nintendo game. Ah, now I need to change the grid again. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I need to decide if I want to ignore like, should I just make it a Nintendo screen size? Probably. Yeah, I mean, it means we're gonna have black space above and below. I'm trying to think if people were making custom levels, would they want to be able to put tiles in these spaces? Thank you for the comment. I'm glad to be back. Let's see. So it's, oh my god, it changed. Oh, that's the bad one. Close this one. Yeah, so it's basically 3 tiles above and 1 tile below that it's not using. So if I use the full tile size, I kind of want to use the full screen size. It means there'll be gaps. Oh, but then when I use the script, it's gonna put them in the wrong place. Good night. You don't remember if you were in the forums? Not sure what to say. I guess maybe I should keep the, I'm having a hard time making a decision on this. I mean, there's no reason you couldn't put extra tiles on the bottom. I mean, there's no interface there. And I'm having a hard time deciding. If we're doing like full Nintendo resolution, it's 256 by 240. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm doing widescreen. Well, even though I'm doing widescreen, I have to. Yeah, I think this. I should just do the actual. I should just do the actual size. I was just trying to think ahead, like when people are making their own levels, would they still want to live with these limitations? Yeah, because if I was trying to be modern, I would actually make it the widescreen size. Hmm. I mean, I guess even if I make these maps this size, I could still allow other maps to be different sizes. Hmm. I'm gonna try Nintendo resolution and just see how it goes. If it looks weird, I'll change it because I need to make a decision. Okay, so so now we have a map with a level. I'm actually gonna use Chat GPT to get me started quickly. I think it should work. Write a Rust program to load a tile map. Let's say load an LDTK tile map. Write a single tile into an existing level and then save the map. Let's see if it knows how to do that. I'm going to open up the tile map and check if the format matches. This is showing me the layout of the file. Well, it has way more stuff than ChatGPT did. Do I really? How big is this file? It's not that big. Let's see how smart it is. Use this as the JSON format for the tile map. Let's see. How smart are you? I feel it did not listen. The hell? Oh, you didn't listen to me at all. I need you to use the JSON format I pasted above. Oh. It's not doing it. What's the point? I thought AI was supposed to be smart. LDTK Rust. Oh, there's already a library. Let's see how smart it is. Use this Rust library to load and write to tile map. All right. This one looks like it might work. So I'm gonna create a new Rust project for this. Wait, I have to create a new project. Or maybe I could create it in the same. No, I'm gonna do a different one. Tile map. Let's just call it tile map writer. This is a binary. All right, let's see how smart you are, ChatGPT. Is it using Saturday? You fucked up, ChatGPT. You didn't add Saturday to your dependencies. What a shame. Whoops. The other one was this one. Oh my god, what am I doing? What? It's using it, isn't it? Why is it red? Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's be bad and just put the stuff here. Dot dot. Slash Castlevania slash assets slash, where is it? Yeah, it's right there. Target. Okay, collision. Actually, I don't want it to be collision. I actually want to write to a new layer. I thought there was like a back. Yeah, this one. Tiles. It's weird to just call it tiles. Let's call it background. Okay, let's see. Oh, Cricket's still going. So this one's gonna be, oops, it's gonna be background. Let's see what happens. See if it at least loads the map. Oh my god, it doesn't even know what it's doing. Okay. To make this process a little bit faster, I'm using another tool called, what's it called? Pixel Edit. So this is a really cool tool, a pixel art tool. Did I? Where? Oh man, they said I wrote Castlevania wrong somewhere. Oh yeah, thanks. I'm using a really weird keyboard layout because I get pain in my hand, so I'm not using QWERTY. Thanks for telling me that. This is a cool tool. It's no longer in development, unfortunately. But I used to use this like 5 years ago. And it actually has a feature where it will import an image and it will automatically break it up into tiles, which is really cool. I'm not going to merge duplicates. Let's try. This game isn't gonna be made in Flash. It's made in the Bevy game engine. Show. What? Oh my god, my mouse doesn't work. Where's the tile thing? This one. There you go. Wait, why are there so many? Wait, I must have fucked up. Let's do it again. Merge duplicates. Did I not have that selected? I don't want to consider transformations. Yeah, I forgot to press merge duplicates. Show indices. Yeah, now it's looking correct. So it created a tile set here. How do I pan? It looks like more than 11. Oh, it must. Are there only 11? Why does it look like so many? Oh, if you zoom in, 100. Really? Well, let's export. Let's see how the tile set looks. We're gonna make a new folder. Tile sets. I'll just call this level 1, sure. Save. Let's take a look. Why is it? I want to see how. Can I change the default grid size? Because this is driving me crazy. Can I ask this stupid guy? You posted the same message 3 times. Save as a preset. You can save them as a preset. Well, I already have it set. Where's the other one? Oh. Create preset. 16 by 16. Great. Okay, but how do I make that preset the default? To make the preset. Oh. Oh. Set as default. Yes. Okay. Think that should fix it. Cricket's still going. What was I doing? Show create access. Close. Why does it 128 by, oh my god, such a weird size. This isn't actually usable because they need to be powers of 2. What should I do? Does it have any settings? Width? 16. Did I do it? Now let's export it again. Save. Going to reload. The width is good. That's fine. Wait. It didn't use the default. It didn't work. Set. Um, I guess I should add canvas, because you really want stuff to be powers of 2. All right, so we'll just add a bunch of empty tiles to the bottom. Okay, so we have our tile set. Now, let's try to import that into LDTK. Wait, where is it? It's in the wrong folder. I accidentally put in the reference folder. Tile sets. Oops. I accidentally created a second one. Level 1. Should I call it level 0? I mean, everyone refers to it as level 1 in yeah, we're gonna pretend level 1 is the name of the level. So I'm gonna keep it as 1. Okay, we can see there's something. Does it look okay? Oh. Wait. I didn't just delete a tile, did I? I don't think so. Let me make sure. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me just try like how do I change? I want to change that to level 1. Okay, so now, yeah. Well, maybe it wouldn't be that long to just draw it manually. Let me take a look. I think I would get all the wall tiles wrong. Okay. Well, we have our tile set up now. Now I'm going to export tile map. So there aren't really much settings. I think I'm gonna do JSON. Where should I put this? I'm just gonna put it with tile sets because this is actually just a temporary file. I guess I'm gonna delete it later. What? Why is it adding PNG to the... What? The format is JSON. It should add JSON to the end. I'm just gonna add another few letters just to make sure it doesn't overwrite it. There, it did it right. Very strange. That is a lot of text. 1.4 megabytes. Oops. Oh, because it did the whole thing. I wonder if... Okay, let me save this. I'm just going to call it the same. I need to see if there's a way I can only export like a single room. Oops. Selection. I don't know. Is that... it's by layer. Can I... I think the easiest... I can probably move levels in... Whoops. If I go to world view, can I move? Yeah, I can move levels. All right. So I'm going to... I'm just gonna change it to... It does not use the default preset. Okay. Wow, the first level is even smaller. That's crazy. Is it really up higher like that? Let me check the game. Oh yeah, it is. Wow. Okay. So if I do it this way, I should close this. Yeah, so I'm basically gonna make, let's see. Let's add some space to this side. I don't know how much. Oh, it's gonna be 512, right? 3, 5, 8, 4. Goddamn. Plus 5, 12. 4,096. Oh my god. I did it. I put it on the wrong side. Why is it black? Okay, let's. Nope. Move that. Need to make sure. I grabbed. Fuck. I need to grab it exactly. I can't move it while I'm. Okay. Does that look right? Am I missing a pixel on the bottom? Oh no. Is there a black line underneath? I grabbed it perfectly. I guess. Oh shit. I missed the pixel on the top. I'm just gonna try again. Fuck. Go back. Okay. Okay, that looks right. We're gonna get it this time. Zoom in. Oh no. I think I got it. Looking good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Then the size vertically will be, it's 240, right? Yeah, it's 240. The anchor, what does that mean? It's so confusing. I want to remove it from the bottom. Anchored the top? Yes, perfect. Okay. The last level is on the side, but it's okay. We'll just rearrange it. Oh, it's going to put them all on the same level. I wonder if that's a problem. Single row. No. Now I'm wondering, is it possible to move tiles from one level into another? Can I copy tiles somehow? Pick, Alt, left click. What the fuck? I'm pressing Option, left click. It's not working. In LETK, can I move tiles from one level to another? How do I select tiles? What the fuck? Come on. Left click and drag. Hold the control key. That does not work. Wait, with the tile picker? Bot? Oh. The fucking stupid thing. I don't want to. Control Alt and dragging. Holding Control deletes them. What the? Oh, that moves them. What if I want to do multiple? Oh, yeah. Alright. Let's create another level. World view. Create a new level. Let's see if I can move these tiles from here. Nope. What did that guy say they were holding? By holding Control Alt and dragging to another level. Nope. Command Alt. Nope. Wait, are the layers? Okay, that doesn't work. This bug is open. Maybe it's not possible. If it's not possible, then I would have to... Can I import using an existing... I'm kind of curious if I can import using an existing tile set. What? Ah, you stupid thing. Let's do the same one. Only selected. That would take forever. Tiles to current document. Would that work? Let me try. This is supposed to be a PNG. PNG, come on. Don't resample. What? Where? Why are you doing this? Let's see. I'm gonna try importing that into the same thing and see if it uses the existing map. Merge duplicates. Ah, oh, damn it. It overwrote it. Wait, did I? Hold on. I think I might have messed up. Tiles to current document. Ah, it duplicated them. That's weird. I think I'm gonna have to think about how to do this. I might just do it by hand. Might just do it by hand. The thing is, these wall tiles are really hard to tell what they are. If there was a way to move tiles between Levels would be really easy. Wait, hold on a second. Actually, not sure what's the difference between. Wait, so are layers shared between. Layers are shared between levels? No, I'm just doing the first Castlevania. I think I might have misunderstood. I thought each level could have its own tile set. I think I might have misunderstood. Mm. Oh, there's more the keyboard shortcuts. Select all elements in a rectangular area. Command Alt duplicate all selected elements. Mm. So each level can't. I'm so confused. Layers are shared between all levels? We go back to the help. Mm. Where is it? What? is it? Oh, it's that one. Deep Night Games. I was hoping they would have like a FAQ or something. Like different. Let's use different. Can each level have different? Looks to me like all levels share the same layers. Oh, biome. What does that do? Auto layer rule groups. Wait, they're called project layers. So they are for the whole project. App settings. Well, I really misunderstood how this worked. So that means I need to import the tile set for the entire game if I want to make it all one tile map, which I think I do kind of want to do that. So I would have to use the master map to generate the tile set. I mean, unless I want to have different... No. How big is it? Let's see. I'm going to see how big the entire game is as a tile set. I'm going to do it without transformations. Let's see. It's not that many. Maybe make it 32. How big is that? I'll just call it Castlevania. How big is that? It's not even that big. Oh, but I put Medusa in there. Is that Medusa? Oh no, that's the background thing. Okay, so the whole game, tiles for the whole game fit in 512 by 512. Okay. What's going on with the grid? Oh, I'm gonna need to go to sleep. Oh man, it would put them all on one level if I do it like this. I think I'm probably gonna have to think how I want to handle the next part. Hmm. I think that's all I'm gonna do right now. At least I have a tile set for the entire game, which is some progress. I misunderstood how LDTK worked with tile sets, so I kind of have to rethink my plan a little. Oops, a little bit. So I guess I'm gonna be thinking about how I want to move forward. I could use this technique to easily to like put all the tiles into a single level, but I kind of wanted to use like their level feature to separate the rooms because that would make it easiest to handle that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think a bit more. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a fun project, and I'm just gonna try to work on it when I can and when I have energy. So how do I stop? Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.